Madison wanted to do an ocean-themed birthday party this year. Most of the decorations that I made were made from paper. I also used about 200 balloons. I used 3 layers of chocolate cake. A cutout of a paper fish was used for the centerpiece. Madison was able to melt the white chocolate and color it and then put it into molds. We made 3 different colors for the icing and then blended it when we put it onto the cake, going from light to dark. We put sanding sugar around the base of the cake. Here are more Madison white chocolates. Recycled jars were used as drinking glasses. We put in paper straws and the kids loved them. All of the mint colored plates, straws, napkins, those are all from Target. I set up everything on this antique tabletop, making it like a centerpiece. For the balloons, I couldn't find a fishnet, so I ended up having to make this one by hand, all out of white string. And then I tied little paper sea creatures from the net. The balloons in the background had prizes in them and we had the kids pop them with darts. And this is the archway that I made out of a lot of the balloons, and it took a lot of balloons. Here's another garland made out of paper, ribbon, and paper straws. The paper plums I actually have a tutorial for on my channel, so if you want to know how to make those in detail, you can check that out. For all the doors, I twisted crepe paper streamers, giving it sort of like a water seaweed effect, and then put the little fish and things onto the glass. I also made the piñata for this party, so that was the before and this is the after. This was actually Madison's idea, putting the shapes into a real fish bowl, and we suspended them from the top. Here are all my handmade paper banners. I put the letters on and then I strung them onto various ribbons and string. So I bunched it together and then sewed it on to this string. If you have any questions about anything you've seen on this video, or you'd like to see a tutorial on anything that I've made, please put it in the comments section below.